Greetings, class. The subject for today's history lesson is about Marcus Mosiah Garvey. Teacher, run the track.
A black starliner. This was a shipping line. The faster black trail, transporting goods and passengers between America and Africa and the Caribbean, and to serve as a symbol of black pride. Hey, Garvey, Garvey, Redeemer. Garvey, Garvey, Redeemer.
The black starliner was a powerful symbol to a dispossessed people. Thousands of Garveyites crowded the dock at 135th Street in Harlem to witness the launch of the Yarmouth. One spectator described the launch. Him said, "We turn up on a pile of log and watch 100 people jump up and down, throw them hat and kerchief, and cheer while the Yarmouth, back from the wharf, slowly glided down North River." In Cuba and Central America, thousands of supporters upon horses and makeshift cart descended on the docks for witness the arrival of the first ship owned and operated by a black man. The black starliner was an important symbol of black potential and a powerful propaganda tool for Marcus Garvey and the UNIA. This stands as a major achievement. See?
Garvey, Garvey.